everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I got my Boxycharm box for the month of February today, and I haven't even opened it yet, so I thought I would get my first impressions on camera. And it comes with the card that says that everything's on it, but I want to be surprised, so I'll read that last. And we have a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm willing to try it. I can't remember if I've tried this one before, but there is a brush, so I'm willing to try it. And we have a magnetic luminous eye color, and this is in copper foil. Interesting. And let me open that real quick. And it doesn't have a brand. Oh, Nude Sticks is the brand. And it's just this pencil thing right here. And oh, that's a pretty color. It's a really pretty color. I gravitate towards these tones, so that's really nice for me. And it kind of blends out well, so yay. Then we have a No Pore Blem Primer, Touch and Soul, Smooth and Pore Covering, Top Secret for Perfect Makeup, 1 ounce. And it doesn't say anything on the back. Made in Korea. Usually primers break me out, but I'd be willing to try this one. Usually Korean brands are better for your skin and for problem skin, so I'd be willing to try this. Oh, and they had the highlighter like all wrapped up, which is impressive. They have this little egg cart thing. Sephora definitely doesn't do that with most of their stuff or their beauty boxes, so. And this is Pretty Vulgar in Sparkling Sass. It's the Shimmering Swan. And you're getting 6 grams of product. This looks really dark for me. Ooh, that's... Actually, I don't know. I'll have to work with it, but that's a pretty highlight. So this is actually a pretty good box so far. And the last thing that I got, ooh, I've heard really good things about this. This is the Sol de Janeiro, and it's just a body cream. So I'll be interested. This is in Moisture Magnet Oil in Water Body Cream. This is Coco Cabana cream. And I'm interested to try this. So that's it for my box. Let's see. The Too Faced mascara retails for $24. The highlighter, Pretty Vulgar, is $32. The Touch and Soul primer is $18. The Sol de Janeiro is $20, and the Nude Stick is $24. And that's a really good box, guys. I'm thinking about canceling my Sephora one just because I got this one, and this one's way better. And I think the Lugs box, you can upgrade it for an extra like $24. You can get the upgraded products every 3 months. I think they have like a upgraded box. So, and I actually did sign up for the upgrade, but that is it for the stuff that I got. Please let me know if you have any products and your opinions on them, or what you got in your box this month. Thanks. Remember to subscribe. Bye.